Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove pixel from Shopify full tutorial. So let's get started. So there are a couple of ways on how you can do this. So the first one that I'm going to show you is by going into the settings right here. Click on that, and then from here you want to go into customer events right here. And from here, you would be able to see all of the pixel that is connected into your store. And in my case, I have my Facebook pixel connected right here. So let's say this is the one that we want to disconnect or remove from our Shopify store. So there are also other pixels like TikTok, but it's basically the same steps that you are going to take. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and click on this pixel right here. And then I would be prompted into the catalog right here of the app. So from here I can see Facebook and Instagram right here. This is the app that I have connected my pixel on, and from here I want to go into the settings of my app right here, and I'm gonna click here on disconnect. So it might be a different process if you have a different pixel, like for example TikTok, but your goal is basically the same, which is the disconnect right here. You just want to find it in the settings. And from here, as you can see, it is now disconnected right here. And when I go into settings again, right here, as you can see, the behavior will be tracked with this pixel. As you can see, you cannot change this right here. As you can see, it says this meta pixel can't be changed. So what you want to do is you want to go for click here on the change one. And then from here, you want to go and make sure to turn off the share data right there and click on save. Once you've done that, then it would now appear like this. So now what we want to do is we're going to go back right here. So as you can see, we don't have the settings option now, and now we would want to refresh our customer events right here and see if the pixel is still tracking. As you can see, it is now disconnected, and just like that, we have removed it from our Shopify store, which means this is no longer functional. So now you can just go into your apps and sales channels, and from here you can just uninstall your pixel app right here. So it is this one. So I'm just gonna click here and click on uninstall right here, and click on I understand the risk of uninstalling the sales channel, and you can go for the reason whatever you'd want. In my case, I'll just go for not using this app now and click on uninstall. And you can also opt for uninstalling it directly, because it will basically do the same. You would still have the pixel, but it will no longer be functional because it is now removed from your Shopify store. So that is basically it on how you can do it here in Shopify and removing your pixel. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.